Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the MyEverBright app is and how it's positioned. According to official App Store listings and EverBright's website, this app is designed for homeowners using EverBright solar systems to manage and monitor their energy setup from a mobile device. It allows users to track installation progress and complete onboarding steps before their system becomes fully active, which is described as a core function. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on verified information, the app falls under Utilities and Energy Management, focusing specifically on solar system monitoring and account management. Official descriptions state that users can access system production data, which may help them understand how much energy their solar setup is generating. It also includes billing and payment management features, allowing users to review financial details and manage monthly payments within the app. Another documented feature is access to system design details and agreement documents, which may help users review their solar setup and contract information. According to official sources, the app provides insights into system performance, including solar and battery usage data where applicable. The platform also includes onboarding tools like verification steps and ACH enrollment, which are part of the setup process for new users. Some official information mentions customer support integration, which may allow users to get assistance directly through the app if issues arise. This may indicate a system designed to centralize solar installation tracking, financial management, and performance monitoring into one interface. This app may be useful for homeowners who have installed or are installing an EverBright solar system and want ongoing access to system data and account tools. For users interested in tracking solar production, managing payments, and monitoring installation progress through a mobile app, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.